Alright, we've got a nice high-end job we did here with 20 SEER ACs and modulating gas furnaces. Two of them have zoning on them. Looks like one of them is about to get grown over by bushes over there. So we've got no heat on one of them and a error code on the control. So let's go in and see if we can get a grip on what's going on and get these people some heat. Okay, the control's giving us a error code here, code 22.00. So we'll look that up. I believe that is a code that'll read more than 10 retries within a single call for heat. Usually a gas pressure issue. Several things can cause that. So we're definitely calling for heat. Set to 70 with it 65 in the room. So we will we'll go underneath to the furnace and see if we can see what's going on. Tell you the working conditions in this house are pretty good. We will have to crawl just a little bit to get to the furnace that we're going to, but there's a lot of room at it, and you can sit up and work real well at it. So we're going to go take a look and see what's going on with it. Okay, we're here at the furnace, and this was a pretty good install. I was happy with it when we were done. And for whatever reason, got some problems right now. So let's get the thing open and see if we can figure out what's going on. Okay, everything had to reboot because we lost power when we took the door off and killed the door switch, obviously. So let's see what happens when this thing starts up. It's a communicating system. It's got a zone panel. So in that case, only the common and data actually land on the board, and you have an auxiliary transformer. Now that sounded strange. It did fire up and blew itself right back out. I don't know what's going on with that. I thought I heard a surge of air going in or out of the combustion area. With that light on, we're not going to be able to really see in there good. I wonder if that flue pipe's clogged up. We're going to go outside and look at that first, I do believe. Always look for the simple stuff first, but there could be something wrong here. That's what I thought. That looks flue or vacuum related of some sort. Alright, the flue pipe is clean and clear, nothing going on there. So I came in here and took this flame sensor out. I don't know if I've ever seen one that looked that bad in less than 2 years. I mean, this furnace is new. It's only its second season. Can't get it to focus real well, but that that flame sensor right there is really, really nasty. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera. So we're going to clean this and try it again and see if it'll stay lit. Then we're going to tee in here to the burner box and then pull this plug here and put a barb in it and read the gas setup on it, just to make sure of that. But boy, it looks like we got some really poor quality gas here. While I got this open, I may pull this out and look at these burners on the other end. Anyway, let's try this and see what happens. Alright, so here's my little deal I do to clean a flame sensor if I don't happen to have one in the truck. Is you know, I'll take a razor knife and scrape the big stuff, not sharp scratching it, but just scraping it, and I'll get the big stuff off that way. And an old man once showed me this, and I guess I'm an old man now, but a dollar bill really does a good job of cleaning this. It goes against all of what you hear. Like you hear not to touch it with your fingers. I think that's more for igniters than it is for flame sensors. But so I put these in here and I squeeze them in different spots and spin it. And that, I tell you, it comes out pretty clean that way. So we're going to stick this back in and see if it fires up and see what that changes. Then we'll go from there. Okay, there we go. We're gonna try again and see if we get a different result just by cleaning the flame sensor. I tell you, that thing was really nasty. No, I can hear the gas surging up and down as it's trying to light and stay lit. All right, we got it burning, and the whole problem was our incoming gas pressure. Here's where I'm hooked to. With the one side of the manometer, I'm hooked to the inlet, and we're not real stable, but this regulator, I had to open this up and jack it up a good bit. It was at about 4.1 or so, 4.4 I believe, and it just would not light. As you can see, well, as you might can see, the furnace is burning good now. So I'm going to unhook all this. Before I go changing regulators, I think I'm going to have the gas company come out here, because this house has 3 furnaces and 2 tankless water heaters. There's a lot of gas demand here. I'm going to have them come out here and let me cut all 3 furnaces on and the water heaters and let them read their, you know, whatever they want to do. I'm not supposed to fool with their regulators and their pressure on the meter side when they're coming to the house, but it's definitely a gas pressure issue here. Now the fact that the other furnaces are not giving me trouble tends to make me want to change this regulator here, but I'm going to investigate this a little bit further before I go anywhere. I'm letting the house heat up some right now. It is cold in there. And the man is worried about his cats. So let me get these doors back together and get this on. But I think we probably finally got some ran me in circles for a minute though. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we got rid of the error code. Everything seems to be up and running okay at this point. So let's go on to the next one. Thanks for watching.